Hello everybody, what's going on? My name is Badr Ali Shimrani, student at King Abdulaziz University in Faculty of Computing and Information Technology. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, it's not an easy. What's wrong? Yeah. Look guys, I've had this Soundcore for the past few weeks, and I guess now it's time to show you whether it's worth your hard-earned cash or no. Soundcore Live Tune is an update for the Q30, and this type has many new updates and improvements. So, let's take a look. Taking a look around these headphones, they are made from a really nice high quality plastic with a metal headband. Also, they definitely punch well above its price point, and you definitely won't be disappointed. About the size, I think it's suitable, and as you can see, it's a fantastic shape and good looking. Moreover, it can be stored in this semi-hard shell case, which feel really secure, and I'm pretty sure that this feature is not found in most of the other headphones. The cups are super nice and soft, and honestly, even after 6 hours of having them on, it wasn't uncomfortable. And if you are a person who needs to use these headphones for long hours, I advise you to use this Live Tune. And now I will get into a noise cancelling test later on this video, because it's really nice and interesting experience. Also, let's check now the Soundcore application. This Soundcore application has several functions which make this headphone work just the way you want them to be. So we are now in the Soundcore application, and as you can see, we have got our Live Tune as well as the battery just over here. Let's quickly go through some of the options that you have in the Soundcore application. So if we go into ambient sound, this is where we can change the noise cancellation, transparency mode and normal. Also, if we go back into the equalizer here, we have got custom and default. So let's go into my default, my favorites being flat, and if you can see, you have got a whole load of presets for the equalization. And if those still aren't good enough for you, just go into custom, basically make your own and save it. It's really nice. And then we have also got sleep mode, which basically bunch of the sound. So let's say you are in an airplane and you need to get some relaxing sound, then just select the sounds you want and then press play. You are all good. I think it's a very nice and useful option for this headphone Live Tune. Controlling the headphone is very easy. On the left side, you have got the power button and the NC button, which you can just click through it to change the noise cancelling mode on the fly. You can also change the volume and next and previous track using the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the headphone. Now let's get into the different mode and how it handles. I'm gonna try to do my best to show you the different modes so you can get a very good idea before you go and buy this Live Tune Soundcore, and I'm pretty sure that you won't be disappointed because I tried it before and it's very awesome.
Normal. Transparency. Noise cancelling.
So as you can see, the different modes work very well, and I was really impressed, as I hope you were too. As a technology users, we all face problems that related with batteries, but don't forget that you are using this Live Tune Soundcore, so you won't be able to face these problems. So the battery life is fantastic. The official numbers from the Soundcore say these offer up to 40 hours playback with NC on and 60 hours with NC off. And if you charge it for only 5 minutes, you will get 4 hours of playback straight. And if you want it to fully charge, it took from me under 3 hours. I bought it from a Sharif corner for 329 Real, and I will put the link in the description for you. At the end, if you want a great pair of good sounding NC noise cancelling over headphones, then I guess these are really the ones to get. And time to say goodbye. Thank you, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.